Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a revolution in luxury travel. This is not just a motorhome, it's a statement. This is the 2026 McLaren Motorhome. Its exterior, which was created using the same DNA as the most incredible hypercars in the world, is a stunning fusion of racetrack aerodynamics and innovative design. Every line and curve has a purpose and is made of carbon fiber to be as strong and lightweight as possible. Its matte gray paint and unique LED light accents, which are evocative of the classic McLaren Senna, give the impression that it is moving at 100 miles per hour even when it is stopped. But this beauty is more complex than it first appears. This masterpiece conceals a hybrid V8 twin-turbo engine, a powertrain inspired by race cars that produces over 900 horsepower. It proves that its mix of electric efficiency and raw power can support both a 5-star hotel and a supercar on wheels. You get into the cockpit and find a command center fit for a pilot. The dashboard's main feature is a large, curved OLED screen that is a masterpiece of minimalist design. From infotainment and navigation to a comprehensive performance overview of the hybrid system, everything is shown with astounding clarity. The dash is encrusted with premium leather and carbon fiber trim, and the steering wheel feels appropriately weighted in your hands, drawing inspiration from the McLaren Artura. You may engage with the machine here and witness the precision and passion of McLaren engineers. As soon as you step out of the cockpit, the atmosphere shifts to a luxurious, open-plan living space. The inside is a masterpiece of modern luxury, seamlessly fusing efficiency and grace. A stylish and calm atmosphere is created by the subtle mood lighting that draws attention to a neutral color palette and sleek, angular shapes. The furniture, which is composed of lightweight composites and coated in high-quality Alcantara, focuses on comfort without compromising design. Thanks to the chair's flexibility to rotate and recline, the lounge can be turned into an immersive home cinema experience with a huge, retractable screen and an excellent sound system. You will find that the bedroom is a sanctuary designed for maximum relaxation. The space is serene, has straightforward lines, and soothing lighting. A king-sized bed with a high-density memory foam mattress offers unparalleled comfort. The hidden cabinets and compartments that run the length of the walls provide lots of storage without taking up a lot of space. A large panoramic window at the head of the bed allows you to wake up to stunning views of the outside while still enjoying complete privacy. There is no denying the bathroom's superb design. The concept of a wet bath is improved with a tempered glass walk-in shower and a rain shower head. The toilet and sink are seamlessly integrated into the design, complete with a smart mirror and touch-sensitive faucet. A stunning and durable heated composite material is used to make the flooring. This space, which emphasizes economy and design, shows how luxurious even a small space can appear. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true with all of its modern appliances. A full-size refrigerator with a freezer, a combined convection microwave, and a 2-burner induction cooktop are all skillfully integrated into the elegant cabinets. The countertops are made of a durable, streamlined composite material, and they have a surprisingly big surface space and clever storage for all of your culinary needs. It is equipped to let you cook delectable meals whenever you want, and it has the high-end ambience you would expect from a modern penthouse.